Hi everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you're a coffee lover like me, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the Breville Barista Touch espresso machine, model BS880BTR, in sleek black truffle. This machine promises to bring cafe-quality coffee right to your kitchen, and I'm excited to break it down for you. Stick around to see why this could be your next must-have appliance, and don't forget to check the affiliate link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's start with the features that make the Breville Barista Touch stand out. First, it's got an intuitive touchscreen display. You can swipe and select from 5 pre-programmed cafe drinks like espresso, latte, cappuccino, flat white, and long black. It's like having a barista guide you step by step. You can also customize your coffee strength, milk texture, and temperature, then save up to 8 personalized drinks. How cool is that? The built-in conical burr grinder has 30 precision settings, so you get the perfect grind for your beans every time. It automatically doses the right amount of coffee for 1 or 2 shots, which saves you time and guesswork. The ThermoJet heating system is a game changer. It heats up in just 3 seconds, so you're not waiting around for your morning brew. Plus, the automatic milk frother delivers silky microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos with hands-free texturing to get that perfect froth. The machine uses 9 bars of pressure for precise espresso extraction, ensuring rich, balanced flavors. It comes with a 67-ounce water tank, a stainless steel milk jug, and single and dual-wall filter baskets for 1 or 2 cups. At about 25 pounds and a compact footprint, it fits nicely on most countertops. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the touchscreen is a huge win. It's user-friendly, even for beginners, and makes crafting your coffee feel effortless. The fast heat-up time is perfect for busy mornings. You're sipping your espresso in minutes. The built-in grinder is a big plus, saving you from buying a separate one, and the 30 grind settings let you fine-tune your shot. The automatic milk frother is fantastic for creamy lattes and cappuccinos, and the ability to save custom drinks is great for households with multiple coffee drinkers. The black truffle finish looks sleek and modern, adding a touch of class to your kitchen. It's also versatile, handling everything from bold espressos to frothy cappuccinos with ease. On the con side, the price is a bit steep, retailing around $1,000 on Amazon, though you can often find deals through our affiliate link. It's an investment, so it's best for those who are serious about their coffee. The learning curve can be a little tricky if you're new to espresso machines, as you'll need to dial in the grind and tamping for the best results. Cleaning takes some effort, especially the milk frother, which needs regular maintenance to stay in top shape. Some users on Reddit mentioned that the machine's water tank could be larger for frequent use, but I find the 67 ounces sufficient for daily brewing. So should you buy the Breville Barista Touch? Absolutely. If you're passionate about coffee and want a machine that balances ease of use with professional results, it's perfect for beginners who want a guided experience and seasoned baristas who love to experiment. The touchscreen, fast heat-up, and built-in grinder make it a standout, and the ability to customize drinks means everyone in your household can get their perfect cup. For the price, you're getting a high-quality machine that rivals Café espresso. If you're ready to elevate your coffee game, this is the way to go. Before I wrap up, if you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, share with your fellow coffee lovers, and subscribe to Rick's Review Hub for more honest reviews. To grab the Breville Barista Touch at the best price, click the affiliate link in the description. We've partnered with Amazon to bring you special promotional pricing through Rick's Review Hub, so don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.